is our vocabulary for today. Some of the words are going to be the same from yesterday, and some are going to be different. The first word we have is from yesterday. It is place value. Remember, place value is the value of a digit based on its location in a number. And remember, for third grade, we use the ones, tens, hundreds. We separate the hundreds from the thousands with a comma, and then we repeat the pattern. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and that's actually where we stop for third grade. But the numbers do keep going. The next one we have is digit. Remember, a digit is any of the numbers 0 through 9. So if it's just a single number, it's just a single digit. It's the numbers that we use to make up other numbers. The next word we have is decompose. So this is the same from yesterday as well. When we decompose something, we take something and we break it apart. So if this was my whole, I put all the blue on this side and all the red on this side. The next word we have is the word standard form. Remember, standard form is the most common way to write a number, and it shows the number with digits. So if any way you write a number, you're using digits to make up a number. The word that's different for today is expanded notation. Expanded notation is an expression showing the specific place value of each digit by multiplying each digit by its place value. That sounds like a lot of words. So what that actually means, if my number 294, I have it written in standard form, and I want it in expanded notation. Yesterday we just wrote it however much it was worth, so we said 294. This time we're actually breaking it into the place value, and we're multiplying it by the place that it's actually in. So if I had the number 294, I have a 2 in the hundreds place. So I'm going to say 2 times 100 because it's in the hundreds place, plus 9, because there's a 9 in the tens place, times 10, again because it's in the tens place, plus 4, and the 4 is in the ones place, so I'm going to say 4 times 1. And this is the expression that shows us expanded notation. This is what we're going to practice doing today.